Hi people, this video is an interview that was granted by one of the flood victims in Anambra State Nigeria. We all know what so many communities in Nigeria are facing in the hands of this deadly flood that is ravaging so many communities in Nigeria. Just hear him out and hear what he has to say and the losses that have incurred so far. Hello, good afternoon, sir.
Good afternoon, my interviewer.
Could you please tell us your name?
My name is Ostan Dokoba.
Okay, and where are we now?
This site you are standing now belongs to Pastor Henry Motors. This is a block industry owned by Pastor Henry Motors.
Okay.
I'm just one of his staff.
Okay, one of his staff.
Yeah.
Just, could you tell us your experience since this flood started in this place?
It has been a wonderful experience.
Wonderful?
Yeah, a wonderful one. Because when this thing started, it started gradually.
Yeah.
Gradually. And it did not start the usual month. It started in October. And we never expected it to reach this alarming scale.
Hey.
Unlike before, it was not like this. But the flooding has been so alarming and so large. We never expected this so.
So, as it's happening now, are you guys still doing your normal jobs, your normal everyday work, or are you guys on hold at the moment?
As you can see, it is affecting our job negatively. You can see all the molding grounds are flooded. It has, to a large extent, hampered our activities here. We are no longer molding. You can see for yourself.
Is there anywhere you guys need the help of the government as it concerns what is happening at the moment?
As a matter of fact, flooding causes a lot of damages, more especially in a place of endeavor like this. We experience a lot of damages here. Most of the cement or molded cement bags have been destroyed. We experience a lot of destruction. Even the blocks, most of them are submerged. We cannot bring out the blocks again. As you can see, this place is a molding ground and most of our blocks are submerged underwater.
Oh, that's really sad. That's really very sad. Oh, and nobody even knows when this water will go down for you guys to resume your normal activities.
Yeah, I cannot say precisely when it will go down, but we are expecting that by November there will be a kind of the thing will be subsiding by November. Expectedly, it will be subsiding by November. This is our expectation.
But we've had this kind of experience sometimes in 2012, and it was said that it was the Cameroonian government that opened up their dam that caused flooding in Nigeria then, and the same thing happened this year, being 2022, and the same flooding happened again. What do you have to say about that?
Yes, when I was reading a post posted on the Facebook by the former governor of Anambra State, he was condoling the people affected by flood, and in his post he said something about the Cameroonian dam being opened. He also said something about the Kainji dam being opened, and this has resulted in large-scale flooding like this. And another thing from his post, which he said, is that this thing is also caused by the global climate change. Three factors are responsible: opening of the Cameroonian dams, opening of Kainji Dam, and climatic change, the global climatic change. Yes,
so
three factors.
So apart from the global climatic change that contributed to this, what do you think the Nigerian government should do to prevent this flooding that is being caused on the aspect of the Cameroonian dam being opened? Is it and every time they open their dam, Nigeria will get flooded? Is there no solution? Do you think there is any solution to that?
This is a time the people responsible for opening of the dam, especially the Kainji dam management and the management of Cameroonian dam, it is high time they have a second thought about opening of this dam. They know how to control it. I don't know how they do it, but it is left for them to control it.
But some people have been suggesting that had it been they have dredged River Niger down to Atlantic Ocean, even if they open these dams, water will have channels, wider channels, to flow easily into the Atlantic Ocean. That is because the River Niger has not been dredged. When that dam is opened, water will not see enough space to flow easily from River Benue and River Niger down to Atlantic Ocean. Do you think that makes sense?
There is sense in that. Having been a good student of geography at O level, I think that enlarging the valley of River Niger and also enlarging the valley of the Idemiri River by dredging could accommodate more volumes of water in the valley, thereby preventing these two rivers throwing excessive water into the inland, destroying a lot of things. I think I buy their solution by increasing the volume of the valleys of River Niger and at the same time increasing the volume of Idemiri River to prevent excess water reaching inland before they are being drained to the Atlantic Ocean. I think it will be a solution.
Yes,
but that is not the only solution. Additional solution should be that the management of the Cameroonian dam should know the rate at which they open those dams, and the management of the Kainji dam should know when and how to open the dam so that it will not cause destruction. They open it, they know how to prevent it. We are hearing that these things have been caused by the opening of the dams, but we don't know the process. They are the people who know the process and they should control it.
Yeah, thank you so much, sir. You have answered so well. We appreciate your time and granting us this interview. Just wish that and hope that Nigerian government, they will hear you out and buy your idea. And for the losses that you guys have incurred, we are really sorry for what's happening at the moment. We just hope that within the shortest of time, things will come back to normal. Thank you so much, sir.
Thank you.
You guys have seen the level of damages this flood is causing people in Anambra State and other parts of Nigeria, because I can assure you that in some other parts of the country the damages is much more. And what is Nigerian government doing? Why can't they fulfill their own part of the agreement they had with the government of Cameroon to build their own dam in their own Nigerian end, so that whenever Cameroon opens Lagdo Dam, Nigerian dam will hold the water? Then alternatively, why can't Nigerian government make efforts to dredge River Benue and River Niger so that the channels will be wider for water to flow whenever Cameroon opens their dam or whenever the river bank overflows? People are dying from this flood, and this is not nice. This is heartbreaking. People's businesses are being destroyed. People's houses submerged. Let the government do something, please.